Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is Sinking Funds Stuffing Day. Absolutely love these videos like I mention every single time we do them, which is every 2 weeks. If y'all are new subscribers, welcome. Hi, my name is Shirley and I do budgeting, I do grocery hauls, I do meal plans, just anything and everything. If you have an idea that you want to see, let me know down below and I will make it happen if I absolutely can. If you are a YouTuber as well, let me know and I will go and check y'all's channels out. But make sure you subscribe down below and like this video so I can continue to make these videos for you guys. Alright, so this is going to be a long video, so we're just going to get started, you guys. Alright, so sinking funds. These are the categories and we're just going to go over it real quick. So there is a Christmas, Black Friday, wedding, college, vacation, medical, car, gifts, beauty, clothing, and tag. If you seen my cash envelope stuffing before you went and seen or watching this one, you will know that I have $381 to work with for our sinking funds. All right, we're going to do the totals, or not totals, but we're going to write down how much we're going to stuff, and then we'll go to the bank, and then we will count all of our how much our totals are. This money right here, if you see my cash envelopes, this is the money that we have left over from what we did not spend from grocery, gas, and fund money, which was $59. So that is how we got the $381 total. All right, so Christmas is going to be getting $75, you guys. And every $75 that you see is actually my goal for September, is to do $100 for Christmas, Black Friday, and college. So I am making it happen this paycheck. So Black Friday will get $75 also. Wedding, I have no money in there, but I need to get, I know this is probably TMI, but I need to get sticky boobs for my bridesmaid's dress. So I'm going to just do $40 on that. College will get $75. As you know, I pay for my own college. I am in college right now trying to go back to school for nursing. I'm currently a scrub tech, which is a surgical technologist that works in the operating room. And I help the doctor, so I'm going to go back to the medical field and get my nursing. Alright, so vacation is going to be $40. We don't have anything big planned except for my fiance's brother is coming into town that he has never met due to adoption. And he's going to come into town for the first time and visit, like, everybody. His whole family is down here. So that's going to be super exciting, and I'm just going to use that money for technically vacation because we are off for 5 days. But other than that, we don't have vacation until January. Medical will be $20. I do have a doctor's appointment coming up in October, which is my dermatologist. Car will be $20. I do have to get windshield wipers soon, probably next month. Gifts will be $5. I'm going to have to try to buy a wedding gift for the wedding that we are going to be going to up north. Beauty will be $5. I don't really have anything to buy because the Ulta 21-day beauty sale is almost over, so I don't really need anything. And then clothing will be $5, and tag is nothing for right now, which I should start doing that so I don't have to stress out of any of that. Alright, so for the bank, we're actually going to try to figure out, this is why it might take a little bit, because we need to try to figure out where this money's going to go so I don't overlap on the bank. Let's see, 50, 20, 10, 5, and 1s. So we shouldn't need any 5s. Or 1s, actually. Alright, so I'm going to go down and up, if that makes sense. So, clothing is $5, so we won't need clothing. Beauty is $5, so we won't need beauty either. Gifts is $5. Car is $20. which don't we have a 20 somewhere? Yeah, 20s. And then medical is 20, so 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we don't need medical either. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have $4. So Christmas, or one of these $75 will just have $74. If that makes sense, you guys, right? All right, so we won't get anything from medical and down from the bank because I have it right here. And then we'll have $174 because we'll have $4 left over for that. If that makes sense, if that confuses you, let me know down below and I will tell y'all. All right, so let's get started with breaking it down for the bank. All right, so we're going to go all the way up to here, just so I don't have to look at it. All right, Christmas is going to, let's just go ahead and do $74. So that's going to be 50, 60, 70, and then ones will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and then Black Friday will be another 50, 60, 70, and then 1, 5. Wedding is going to be 40, so that's 1, 2, 20s. College will be 75, so that's 150, 120, and then 1, 5. And then vacation will be a 40, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right there. All right, you guys, so that is all that I need to get for the bank, but I'm going to make sure that this adds up to this. All right, so we're going to do 74 plus 75 plus 40 plus 75 plus 40. Hopefully this works. All right, so that's $304. So let's make sure this works. Let's see. So that's 150. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 100 plus 40 plus 10 plus 4. So that's $304. Was that right? I'm going to have to write this down. So let's see, $304. All right, let's do it one more time for this one. Right, yeah, this one. 74 plus 75 plus 40 plus 75. I messed up. My gosh. 75 plus 75 plus 40 plus 75 plus another 40 equals 305. So how did it get to 305 and 405? So let me see. So I'm going to figure this out and I will get back to you. All right, you guys. So I put it back into my calculator and it came up to be $304 also. So no, 74, 75, 40, 75, 40. All right, $304, $304. So that is perfect. And then the rest will come from here. All right, so we are going to run to the bank and then we will get to stuffing again. All right. Oh, I forgot. I need to actually, before I go to the bank, I need to total this out. So let's start with the 304 because that will be easier. 304, stopped right here. So we'll do plus 20, plus 20, plus 5, 10, 15. So that's $359. $359. As you can tell, I was supposed to have $381, but that's $359 that we are going to use. So I have $22 left, and that is actually going to go towards debt. So that extra money is going to go towards debt. So that is a zero-based budget that I am going to be doing this week, just like what Dave Ramsey does. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go to the bank, and then we will get to stuffing them and counting our totals. All right, so we are back from the bank. As you can see, I have all of my money already lined up, and then I took the leftover from the cash envelopes and already added it to it also. All right, so we are going to stuff the envelopes, and then we're going to do the total and then write the total of all of the envelopes together. So first is Christmas, and that's going to get $75. Now, I do make these envelopes, and they are just for me because I'm really not good. I'm trying to perfect them. And so they're not perfect, but they are perfect to me. Like this one, I have to run through the laminator soon. All right, so first is $75 for Christmas. So that's 50, 60, 70, 75. And we are going to see how much we have total. All right, so that's 1, 2, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. So we have 172 right now. And we did use some money for a Christmas gift for his little brother, my fiance's little brother. So that was like $8 that we spent on that. All right, Black Friday is going to get $75 also. So that's 50, 60, 70, and 75. So let's see. And I do also count my Target gift cards just to let y'all know. So we have $30 in this. Let's see. Did not put this all together. Okay. So that's 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 2. So, and then we have these, which is 30. So that's 230, 40, 45, 50, 51. So that's 251. So that's actually my goal, was $200 for this year, like I usually do. But I'm still going to put in a couple of more. Maybe I'll reach to 300 and then just cap it out right there. But I'm super excited that this is fully funded already. So I'm super excited about Black Friday. Special occasion is wedding. Because I'm in a wedding, I need to buy a sticky bra. So that's going to be 40. Okay. And I have nothing in here. $40. And then college is going to be $75 also. 60, 70, and 75. And I did use some money for college. I had to buy some supplies and stuff for school. So that's 100, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So that's 137. I really do need to beef this up, because I'll have to pay for class in January. The first week in January, probably. So I need to do that. All right, vacation is $40. I think I messed up. Where did the other 50 go? 50, 50, 50. We'll have to figure it out. Hold on just a second. All right, you guys. So I believe I figured it out. I actually marked an extra 50 when I went to the bank, and it was actually supposed to be an extra 2 20s. So it's okay. We figured it out, you guys. All right, so vacation, we are going to do $40. And this is going to be, make sure everything's right, is going to be used at the end of this month, which is actually this coming up week. And then for January, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 35, 135, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is 135 also. All right, medical, we're going to do $20. And I got the news that I have to go and see a orthopedic doctor now. I'm pretty sure 20, 30, 40. Pretty sure I mentioned that, but I have an orthopedic doctor appointment on Monday now. So we'll see what's wrong with my knee. Hopefully I did not do anything to it. All right, and car is 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. I'll buy some windshield wipers soon. Maybe I need to get bigger bills also, but I actually like smaller bills just in case I can't go to the inside the bank and I have to go to the ATM. I can just get smaller bills. Change it here. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. $80. Now, I know that I could just go ahead and just add to the total from last week, but I did use some of them, and I just like counting, really. All right, gifts is going to have $5, and I don't have anything in there. Because the past 2 weeks I had to buy some gifts, so that is only $5. Beauty, we're doing $5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then clothing, which when I go to work tonight, I need to go and do a label. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For this, so people will know what I am stuffing. And that was $5. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. We stuffed all of my envelopes, which I am super, super excited because they are freaking thick. So, we're going to do the total real quick. And then get on with our lives. Alright, so we have 172 plus 251 plus 40 plus 135 plus 135 plus 40 plus 80 plus 5, 10, and 15 plus 15. So we have a total of $868. So when we started last week, because we did use some of our sinking funds, it was $508. And then we just stuffed them, which equals to $868. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much everything, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all do, and make sure you go and subscribe down below so you do not miss another stuffing. These are my favorite stuffings, and hopefully I can get the same amount of hours, which I probably won't, but because I'm doing night shifts, so I don't take call when I'm working night shifts on the weekend. But who knows, maybe I can almost reach the 1,500 income, but maybe not. But you will just have to be subscribed so you will know. But without further ado, I will see you guys later and have a blessed weekend. Bye.